Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to play hide and seek in Among Us. To play hide and seek in Among Us, first of all, launch the game open on your device and then tap on the play button on the left hand side menu from the lobby screen. Now you will see different options such as local or online. Simply tap on online to play with friends or random players over the internet, or you can also go ahead and open up the local option. Now, if you choose local, you will need to host a game, whereas if you choose online, you can then go ahead and find the game you want to join into, enter a code for the game that you are trying to join into, or create a new game. If you want to create a private game, you can simply tap on Create Game and then go ahead and adjust the settings on the next page. Choose whether you'd like to play the classic game or hide and seek. Since we are trying to play hide and seek, let's tap on Hide and Seek. Select your map, select the room's capacity, tags, regions, and so on. Finally, click on Create Game and then click on Confirm if everything's okay. And there you have successfully started hide and seek on Among Us. Now the game is waiting for players to join in, and once they do, you will then be able to enjoy the thrill of Among Us hide and seek. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.